afternoon.
Okay. Respected HM, teaching staff, parents, and all my dear lovely students. Today, I'm going to share a story about a Yingkyong folk tale. The origins of tiger spirit. Okay, I'll start the story. One night, the old father, named called Shormong, woke up to the non-stop barking of dog. The old man Shormong went outside to check, saying, "What is all this noise about?" And the old man Steve stepped into the muku, which means a rice field, and saw his amazement that a tiger had come and buried a calf there. "Zi," he murmured, an endearment. "What made you come here and give birth?" He asked the tigress laying there beside its cubs. The animal went ee and licked her calf body. The grandfather Shormong looked at the tiger calf and said, "Hey!" Looked at the tigers and said, "Hey, why did you come here? Why did you not give birth your baby in the jungle like your kind do?" But the tigers did not respond and continued to lick its calf body. The grandfather Shormong took about what to do. Then he went inside and brought her an old aramkim, which means a Yingkyong shovel. The golden shovel tied with the Mao plant, which people in those days were used to wear. He bent down and gently wrapped the calf in the shovel and picked it up. The tigers got up and went Shormong Steve outside and said, "Zi, arong," which means come. Shormong walked through village saying, "Oh my people, don't come out your house yet. Stay in. Shormong walked past the last gate of the village into the jungle and down to where the river called Moxie cave flow. Moxie, which means the river name. There on the shaded bank of the river, he let down the calf wrapped up into the aramkim. And Shormong went back home. Every morning, Shormong walked to the